In Jordan, MSF is managing a fully owned hospital for reconstructive surgery and rehabilitation care, specialized for war wounded and victims of violence. So this hospital has been set up in 2006. Today we have 2 OT and 148 beds dedicated to hospitalization and rehabilitation for patients coming from Iraq, Yemen and Palestine. So we have a network of doctors referring the patients to Amman, where they access high-level and advanced reconstructive surgery and rehabilitation care before going back home, where they are still followed by the network of doctors, and they benefit from proper follow-up and continuity of care in their country of origin. This program in Jordan has admitted so far more than 6,000 patients from Iraq, Yemen and Palestine mainly, and Syria of course. And we have performed more than 11,000 surgeries since the beginning. So it's an ambition program that is definitely not enough to answer to the needs of all the wounded civilians that have been affected by the violence and the conflicts in the area since the last decade. And we hope that we can continue and despite the difficulties and constraints, provide rehabilitation care to these patients. In Iraq, it was a bit the continuity also of Amman, where we are providing post-operative care and we are doing infection management as well for patients who have been operated on in different hospitals in the country. And we have a medical rehabilitation center specialized in intensive and extensive physiotherapy and mental health support for these patients. We have been active in the north of Iraq following the Mosul conflict and the fall of the areas that were under the control of the Islamic State group. Today, the emergency and acute phase is being over. We are exploring new areas of interventions in Iraq according to the context there. Demonstrations, returnees of population in their areas of origin are some areas that we are looking into. In case there are needs, we will prepare to have a second level of intervention there. In Yemen, as you probably know, the conflict is going on heavily since 2014-15, and with very important impact and consequences on the system in Yemen. The population has more and more difficulty to have access to care. Some hospitals are not fully operational. The health staff is not paid on a regular basis. So since more than 10 years now, we are present in Yemen and we are facing worries when it comes to the deterioration of the health system in the country. In the north, we are running 2 main hospitals in Haidan and Khamer, where MSF is running fully the hospital in support to the Ministry of Health, where we are providing surgery, outpatients, consultations, maternity. We have a neonatology and pediatric units, and we have capacity to answer to emergencies when they occur. So we had cholera and of course COVID recently. And we are providing on a regular basis support to the emergency room of Al Kuwait Hospital in Sana'a, where it gives us also capacity to increase our presence in case of emergency in the city. In the south, we are running one of the biggest trauma center of MSF in Aden with 90 beds and capacity to extend. The Aden Trauma Center is specialized in war and violence and is performing like very complex surgeries and life-saving surgeries for many patients coming, and it has been open already since 8 years. So in the south, the context being very volatile and working in an insecure context make us being careful about how we manage the program, and we have the capacity, and we are also supporting some different hospitals around the city, across the south, according to their needs, their proximity to the front lines, and so on. So we have a kind of open and wide presence in Yemen, and we are really concerned about the humanitarian impact and our capacity also to properly run humanitarian operations that are highly needed there. Thank you for your attention. This is the first video of a series of operational updates that we'll be happy to share with you, and we hope that you will stay tuned to follow the next operational updates.